Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the FOV in over the top. Let's begin by opening settings. Make sure you're in graphics and general. Then look to the field of view. I have it currently set to 54. I don't know why, but you can adjust it here. You can slide it up to the maximum of 80 or down to the minimum of 40. I usually like to play with FOV around 90, but if it isn't an option, I will stick with 80. Then, once you make your change, simply hit Save Changes. Then hit Back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.